Demonstration on a 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This one is the 3-inch half slice watermelon, and that consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. And the bottom plate and the top plunger both have designs with the watermelon seeds. So we're going to start by taking the outer shell and placing it on top of the bottom plate. Fill just a little bit, and we're going to give some gentle pushes so that we ensure that the design comes out on the bottom. Don't pack too tight because it might get stuck. And continue filling as normal. Give some shakes in between to make sure that that bath bomb mixture settles down into all the cracks and crevices. Take our plunger with the design, and we're going to turn it face down. Stick it on top of your mold, and we're going to give some presses. And turn it. Every time you press, you want to give it a turn. Take your spoon and gentle taps all the way around the outside shell. Some taps on the top plunger. Turn it over and tap on the bottom plate. Gently lift straight up on the bottom plate. Go slow so we can try to get all those details of those seeds. Okay, take your fingers underneath, thumbs on the top. We're going to push up on the plunger underneath there. You might have to move your fingers around a little bit. Grab your piece of cardboard, stick it on the top, turn the whole thing over, and we're going to go straight up with our plunger. Go slow. And there we have the 3-inch half slice watermelon 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. I'm going to leave a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this or any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.